Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be adding effects to our main menu, and I figured out something from the last video. If you go into your frame and you go onto the size, if you put it to 1 by 1 by 1 by 1, it'll actually cover the entire screen the whole time. And also, you should put the anchor point to 0.5 by 0.5, just to make the anchor point like right in the center, just in case something happens, and then change the position to 0.5 by 0 by 0.5 by 0. And that should be all that I have to say for that. And let's get right into the video. So the first thing that we need to do is add in a local script to the main menu. So just add in a local script and we're all set to go. So the first thing that we need to do is look through all of the objects in our frame, and we need to find the donate and play button. So we're going to do for IV in pairs, and we're going to look through the script.Parent.Frame GetChildren, and then we're going to say do. And then what we need to do is check if, we need to check if it is a text button. Yeah, text button. So we need to do so I'll make a video on like for loops and stuff, but for now just do what I'm doing. So we're going to check if what we just got from here is a text button, and if it is, then we're going to want to tween it when we hover over it. So we're going to say v.MouseEnter. That means like if your mouse hovers over it. Then we're going to connect function, and we are going to say and then in the function, we're going to want to tween the size so I can get a little bigger. So we're going to do v.TweenSize, and we're going to do, in the tween size, we're going to have to get the size that we want to tween it to. So we're going to do Enum.new, and then we need to select the size that we want. So I'm just going to test it on the play button. And how you can test it is by clicking one of these arrows and then holding down Alt. Then it'll go like this. I'm just going to make it like very subtle, so like it just like barely gets bigger. You can do what you want to. You can make it how you want to, but for now I'm just going to do this. And then what you need to do is go down to size and copy these numbers. And then go back to local script and paste them in here. Except you need to delete these little angle brace thingies. It will not accept those. And then what you need to do is enter an easing direction. Yeah. Then so you're gonna say Enum.EasingDirection.Out. I'll also make a video on TweenSize, on like tweening stuff. But for now, just do what I do. So Enum and then we also need to input a easing style. So we're gonna do Enum.EasingStyle. And then I like linear, so you can look through the things that you like. You can look through your options, but I just like linear, so I'm just gonna stick with linear. Then the next thing that you need to do is see how long you want it to take, like how fast it goes, like. If you want to make so that it takes 1 second to expand out, then you put it to 1. But I like 0.2. That's just how I like it. You can change it to how you want to. And then just enter in true for now. And yes. So now we need to say what happens when the mouse leaves. So all we need to do is just copy this, paste it. Then instead of enter, we're going to say leave. And we're just going to change this. All we need to do is change that. So how we're going to do that is just click on the donate button because we didn't change that. go to the size and copy it. I'm also going to paste it into the play button just to make it easier. And I'm just going to paste it in here, and then delete the angle braces or whatever they're called again. And that should be it for that. Let's test it. Okay, so we are in, and I'm doing it, and it's working. So yeah. Also, I guess we can change the anchor point back to, actually, I think we just change the position to 0 by 0, 0 by 0 by 0 by 0. No. Let's just change the anchor point. Let's just change it to 0 by 0. Yeah, it's fine with me. So, I guess we need to make it so that like the thing disappears. Also, a cool effect that you can do is add a lighting blur to you can add a blur to your lighting to make, because this is something that we're gonna do. We're gonna use with our effects. So you need to go into lighting and then add a blur effect. Then I just put my blur effect to size 10. You can change it. It's just how I like it. And then yeah. So now we're going to need to make so that when we click it, so v.mouse button 1 down, connect function. Oh no, not colon. It's dot mouse button 1 down. Then we're going to connect the function, and oops. And inside that function, all we're going to say is all we're going to do is just what's the oh yeah, we're just going to do script.Parent.Frame. Tween. No, I don't think we need to tween. I think we can do that in the next video. I'm going to make a few effects video because there's going to be a lot of effects that you can do. So for now, I'm just going to do .visible, and I'm going to set it equal to false. Oops. False. And let's see. Will it work? Oh wait, no. Need to check if it's the play button, because we haven't said that yet. So now we before we check this, we need to need to check if it's the play button. So we're going to say if v dot name equals play. Then we're going to say then. So I'm just going to add that. Okay. Then we're going to copy and paste this in here. So it'll only run if it is the play button. And let's do this. Well, I mean, it works. Also, I'll also get rid of the blur, just because it'll look a little weird. Actually, I'll just dim down the blur. So let's do game.Lighting.Blur.Size is equal to 0.1. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so this works. Let's just click play, and here we go. Also, this is like pretty easy to do because I don't even have a brain. So I mean, if I don't have a brain, then and you guys do, then you should probably be able to do it. Okay? Okay, so I will see you in the next one, and peace out, boys.